Internet of Things frameworks play a crucial role in developing IoT applications by providing integration systems for implementing home automation complemented with ready-to-use firmware for various hardware platforms. They allowed the developers to create whole control systems and IoT devices without writing the entire software from scratch. This makes developing new ideas easier for non-experienced beginners and enthusiasts. In some situations, it allows to modify the behavior of devices available on the market. What is even more important is that they make it possible to integrate IoT equipment coming from different vendors. There are several IoT home automation systems available, including Domoticz, OpenHAB, and Home Assistant. The automation systems can cooperate with the ready-to-use firmware including Tasmota, ESPHome, ESPeasy, and ESPurna. All kinds of firmware initially was developed for ESP8266 system on chips, but now have been redesigned to support ESP32 and other hardware platforms. With the appearance of new microcontrollers designed, among others, by Beacon and Realtek companies, new versions of firmware were created, with OpenBeacon as the example. Each of these firmware has its characteristics and use cases. They usually implement MQTT communication protocol and other specific protocols used in popular home automation systems. Tasmota is popular among IoT enthusiasts and developers who want complete control and customization over their devices. It supports a wide variety of sensors and output devices. Tasmota uses a web interface for configuration, making it easy to configure the hardware connection of the microcontroller and peripheral elements. Tasmota provides scripting capabilities, allowing users to define complex internal automation rules. The support for MQTT protocol allows easy integration with home automation platforms. What is very important, Tasmota has an active and supportive user community that constantly extends the software's possibilities, including support for ESP32-based devices. ESPeasy is designed for users who want a simplified IoT device configuration and automation approach. It offers a user-friendly web interface for configuring devices. It provides a set of pre-built plugins for everyday tasks and supports MQTT for integration with platforms like Domoticz, OpenHAB. ESPeasy has an active community, although not as active as Tasmota. ESPHome is popular among Home Assistant users who want a seamless integration experience. It uses a YAML-based configuration which is highly readable and well documented. It's tightly integrated with Home Assistant, making it an excellent choice for users. The IoT node can be configured in the home automation system, automatically generating the proper firmware version with the final unit's configuration. ESPHome users benefit from the Home Assistant community providing strong support. ESPurna is the least active but still interesting project. ESPurna supports MQTT for home automation systems and compatibility with Domoticz, Home Assistant, and other platforms. OpenBeacon is the software created for the BK72 series of system on chips. It is based on Tasmota functionality. The choice between Tasmota, ESPeasy, ESPHome, ESPurna, and OpenBeacon largely depends on the user's specific needs, selection of the hardware platform, and familiarity with the IoT device configuration. For users who want to have full control over the integration and control algorithms, the interesting choice is the Node-RED platform. Node-RED is an open-source, flow-based development tool and runtime environment designed for easily visual programming. It was developed by IBM Emerging Technology Services and now is a part of the OpenJS Foundation. It can be used for any purpose that uses a flow-based programming model, which is especially useful for IoT and home automation applications. Node-RED uses flow-based programming. Developers create applications by connecting nodes in a visual editor. Each node represents a data source, data output, or a specific function or task. Flows, defined as sequences of connected nodes, represent the logic and behavior of the application. Node-RED has a web-based visual editor, which makes it easy for users to create and edit flows. The editor provides a drag-and-drop interface for adding, configuring, and connecting nodes and flows to build applications visually. Node-RED has a wide range of ready-to-use nodes. Users can install additional nodes from the Node-RED library, allowing for integration with various hardware devices, services, and protocols. It is also possible to create custom nodes with the functionality programmed in JavaScript. Node-RED has high integration capabilities. It easily connects and integrates with various devices, platforms, and programming interfaces. It has built-in nodes for MQTT, HTTP, WebSocket, and more. That's why it is popular in IoT and home automation. Node-RED provides built-in debugging and logging capabilities, making it easier to troubleshoot and monitor the behavior of your applications. In case of help required, developers can count on the active community of users and other developers. Node-RED is used in various applications, including home and industrial automation, data processing, and IoT solutions.